Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter energy balls. First, gather your simple ingredients for these delicious, no-bake treats. These energy balls are incredibly easy to prepare and offer a fantastic boost of energy, perfect for a quick snack. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can confidently create these wholesome bites at home. Get ready to enjoy a tasty and convenient snack option. Now, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, which form the hearty base of our energy balls. Next, grab 1/2 cup of your favorite creamy peanut butter. This provides both flavor and helps bind everything together. For a touch of natural sweetness, add 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. Finally, incorporate 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for extra nutrients and texture. With your ingredients ready, it's time to mix and form your energy balls. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, combine the rolled oats, peanut butter, honey, and chia seeds. Stir everything together thoroughly until the mixture is well combined and has a sticky consistency. Once mixed, take small portions of the mixture and roll them between your palms to form uniform balls, approximately 1 inch in diameter. Make sure each ball is firm and holds its shape. After forming your delicious energy balls, the next crucial step is chilling them. Arrange the balls on a baking sheet or plate and place them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows them to firm up, making them easier to handle and enjoy. Once firm, transfer your peanut butter energy balls to an airtight container. They will remain fresh and tasty in the refrigerator for up to 7 days, ready whenever you need a quick, wholesome snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.